Welcome to the Hard Rock Hotel Orlando. And this hotel has just refurbished their rooms, so let's take a look at the brand new room. So to start, we have your little bar area, and there's no mini bar, but there is a mini fridge under here. It's small, but it's good enough to keep your drinks cold. And we have this nice granite countertop, and we have a K-cup machine, and the most generic K-cups I've ever seen. And you've got your $8 Fiji water, you know, if you must, and some glasses and an ice bucket. Now here is the bedroom area, and this is a 2-queen room. And these rooms do not have balconies, so this just is a garden view. I'll show you that in a minute. So they changed the color schemes in the room, warmed it up a little. It's really nice. So we've got 2 beds over here. These they had before the refurb too. The full-length mirror, so you can find your favorite rock star and see how you measure up. And we've got these really nice chairs over here. I really like this upholstery. And a floor lamp and a little table. And then we have this nice countertop area with these tall chairs. And we've got some charging ports over here. And a room service menu. They have 24-hour room service. And I really like this new artwork. Very colorful. Nice big TV. Now we have a large vanity area over here, which is really nice to have a lot of room to spread all your stuff out. And we've got some toiletries. There's the little Q-tips and cotton balls. This is body lotion, not soap, so be careful about that. More glasses. And we have a makeup mirror. And then this big mirror, see those little blue circles on there are for, that's how you control the light level of the light in the mirror. So that's nice. And then behind the bathroom door, we have a toilet and a small sink. It's really nice to have 2 sinks in a hotel room. Another mirror, plenty of towels. The towels here are much softer than the towels at Disney. And then they redid the showers, and now we have this really nice walk-in shower with the sliding glass door. No more shower curtains, but this room does not have a bathtub. And then over here, we've got some more soaps, and then your refillable soap bottles. It's really nice. I really like this new shower. And then over here in the closet, there's no light in the closet, so it's a little dark. The hairdryer is up here in the closet for some reason. We have your safe, luggage stand, hangers, extra pillows, and here we have a full-size iron, and there's an ironing board. And they also have a laundry service if you need it. And so let's take a look at the view. Now, this room doesn't have a balcony, like I said, but here's the view. This is considered a garden view. So I think they did a really good job with this refurbishment. The rooms really needed it, and I like the bright colors and the nice fabrics that they've chose. I think this is a really nice refurbishment. This is a really nice hotel. We've stayed here many times. We really like staying here. It's our favorite Universal hotel. And one of the main benefits of staying here is that you get free unlimited express pass for everybody staying in the room, and it's good for your entire stay, including checkout day. So if you just stay for one night, which is all we're staying for tonight, you get express passes for your whole party for 2 days. So that really makes it worth it. In addition to it just being a really nice deluxe hotel. Their quick service restaurant is really good. We've actually never eaten at their main restaurant, the kitchen. And the Hard Rock Cafe is just a short walk away. We really like the vibe of this hotel. We love rock music, but you shouldn't think that the whole place is loud. The music is turned up a bit in the lobby area, but the hallways are quiet, and I think the rooms are quieter than Disney rooms. The Hard Rock is part of what they're now calling the Signature Collection instead of Deluxe, and it's the closest hotel to Universal Studios Park, and it's a short, shady walk there, and Islands isn't far either, or you can just take the boat, but you have to drive or take a bus to Epic. They have valet and self-parking for a fee. The rooms really needed renovating, and I think they did a nice job. In my experience, it's usually the cheapest of the Signature hotels for pass holder rate. And remember, you get those express passes for studios and islands for every night of your stay and checkout day, so that's a great deal. So I hope you found this video helpful and you have a great vacation at Universal Orlando.